All right, today I have a Volvo V60 and I'm going to show you how to open the fuel door gas cap on this particular vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you like my content? I think it's great content, but you may not, and if you don't, you could just watch the video for free, I guess. I mean, I'll be okay with that just this one time. But please subscribe to my channel. I'd like it. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to open up the fuel door. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel, as you can see right here, and I'm going to look towards the left-hand side, and there's a series of buttons right here. All right, you're gonna find this button right here. Do you see this? I'm gonna come right here and press this. All right, and once I press that, all right, I'm gonna turn the car off. I'm going to get out of the vehicle, all right, and walk around, not to that side, but all the way around to the other side. And look at that right here. The door is right here, and I'm able to open this and then open up the gas cap. All right, and add fuel. All right, just like that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.